What is up, guys? Welcome to West Texas EAS, and in this video I will be showing y'all my personal picks of the top 5 scariest EAS alerts. So let's not waste any time and let's get into it.
Message is transmitted at the request of the Kentucky Emergency Management Agency, Louisville, Kentucky. At the request of the Kentucky State Police, the Kentucky Emergency Alert System is activated to assist in the broadcast of an Amber Alert. An Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, an Amber Alert has been declared. Incident summary: Richard Samuel Gray, 32 years of age, murdered his girlfriend in Bardstown, Kentucky this evening at approximately 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Gray fled the victim's residence with 4 male juveniles: Jordan, age 6, Jace, age 9, BJ, age 10, Adrian Murray, age 1, who has entered North CIC. Gray is driving the victim's 2014 red Jeep Patriot with Kentucky plate 390TBA. A neighbor witnessed the suspect load the 4 children in the Jeep and flee the scene, possibly en route to St. Louis, Missouri, or Louisville, Kentucky. Victims: Adrian Murray, a black male aged 1 year. He has brown eyes and black hair and is 2 feet 2 inches tall, weighing 20 pounds. Suspect: Richard Gray, a black male aged 32 years old. He has brown eyes and black eyes and is 6 feet 2 inches tall, weighing 170 pounds. Has a tattoo on the neck. Vehicle: a red 2014 Jeep Patriot with Kentucky license plate reading 390TBA. If you have any information regarding this alert, please contact
A tsunami warning is now in effect for American Samoa. I repeat, a tsunami warning is now in effect for American Samoa. All people who reside along the coast are advised to evacuate to higher ground immediately. Again, all residents along the coast are advised to evacuate to higher ground immediately and remain there until further notice. Uye nilap tainga mo tsunami mo American Samoa. Tuefasi silatu, uye nilap tainga mo tsunami mo American Samoa. Moya lala talata ni lesami yang ayatuloy no fonga mapupo el temni lava fa mole moya lala talata ni lesami yang ayatuloy no fonga mapupo el temni lava.
tornado emergency for parts of South Harris. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Chambers County in southeastern Texas, south central Liberty County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:23 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over northwestern Pasadena, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for parts of southeast Texas. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Morgan's Point and San Jacinto State Park around 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Baytown, Highlands, and Channelview around 2:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Barrett around 2:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Mont Belvieu and Cove around 2:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Old River Winfrey around 2:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Chambers County, south central Liberty County, and southeastern Harris County until 3 o'clock this afternoon. At 2:23, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over northwestern Pasadena, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. A tornado emergency covers all of southeast Texas. National Weather Service says this is an especially dangerous situation and that you should take cover now. The tornado will be near Morgan's Point and San Jacinto State Park around 2:30, Baytown, Highlands, and Channelview around 2:35, Barrett around 2:40 this afternoon, Mont Belvieu and Cove around 2:45, and Old River Winfrey around 2:50. A tornado has been observed again, confirmed over northwestern Pasadena, moving to the northeast at 60 miles an hour. And a tornado warning is in effect until 3 this afternoon for northwestern Chambers County, south central Liberty County, and southeastern Harris County. This concludes this broadcast of the Emergency Alert System. Stay tuned to this station for updates on severe weather conditions.
Tornado emergency for West Elkhorn, Nebraska. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa, southwestern Harrison County in southwestern Iowa, eastern Washington County, Douglas County, east central Saunders County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:40 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Elkhorn, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for West Elkhorn, Nebraska. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards include an extremely dangerous and tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near northwestern Omaha, Bennington, Flanagan Lake, and Standing Bear Lake around 3:45 p.m. Fort Calhoun around 3:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Missouri Valley. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
In South Mississippi, we work hard and play hard as the coast's only
civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for all of Mississippi beginning at 10:37 p.m. and ending at 11:37 p.m. The Mississippi Bureau of Investigation is alerting the public that a dangerous suspect is believed to be in the area of Rondo Street and Erie Street. Nathaniel Garner is wanted in connection to an officer-involved shooting in Jackson, MS in Hinds County that occurred on August 19, 2021 at approximately 5:52 p.m. Please take immediate precautions and notify 911 if you see Nathaniel Garner or observe any suspicious activity. Nathaniel Garner is described as black male, 25 years of age, 5 feet and 10 inches tall, weighing 170 pounds, with brown eyes and many afro-black hair. He was last seen at Sunset Apartments in Jackson, Mississippi on August 19, 2021 at approximately 8:30 p.m. and was wearing a white tank top and blue jeans. Nathaniel Garner may be traveling in an unknown vehicle or is on foot. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this dangerous suspect, please call 911 or the Mississippi Bureau of Investigation at 855-642